Welcome back, YouTubers. What we got here is a lz9 3900, and I believe this is from a Pontiac G6, I think. Somewhere around 60,000 miles on it. What I'm going to be doing with this one is I'm going to be doing a swap for someone, and I'm going to be documenting the entire swap. So if you have questions or you're wanting to maybe tackle a 3900 swap, you'll now be able to do that just by following along here. And I'll try to do step by step on what I got to do here and what you would need to do if we're going to install one of these in your car. So this particular engine is going in an 86 GT 4-speed manual. What we're going to be doing is we're going to take a lot of this stuff off of here. We're going to move some stuff around. We're going to be getting rid of this intake for an LZ4 intake. We're going to be using a 75mm throttle body instead of this factory 65. And we're also going to be swapping out the camshaft. We're going to be removing the VVT camshaft, and we're going to be installing a LNJ camshaft from a 2009 Equinox. It's a direct bolt-in. It's still a peanut cam. I did it in my lz9. You can go back and watch the video on that a while back if you want. But we're going to be doing that on this swap here, and to make it pretty much a straight bolt-in. So here you can see I got the cradle out of the car already. And here's our front mount. I haven't done a 86 style front mount yet. I've only done the 88, so we'll see how that bolts up to the 3900. And here is the factory 2.8. Now if you have an 87 or an 88 2.8, what you can do is you can use the timing cover, the factory timing cover, water pump assembly, pulley, and balancer off of your factory 2.8 engine. If it's an 87 to 88, if you have the 85 or 86 style V6, it's got a different style oil pan, different shape down here on the front. So you can't use the 85 or 86 timing cover. Fortunately, this one has this 86 GT has an 87 or an 88 engine in it. So it's got the correct timing cover on it, so we can reuse that. Now the owner is thinking about doing a turbocharger later on, so we're going to have to do an upgraded clutch. Not sure what stage we're going to go with yet. You know, he's probably going to shoot for maybe 400 horsepower. Not that much. Might be able to get away with a Spec 3 or a 4. But in the meantime, we're just going to get it installed, naturally aspirated, get it tuned. Now this one is going to be run on a micro squirt as well. So I'll walk out all you guys through that, show you how to do that. I've already made a video on how to micro squirt this engine before, but we can do it again. It's not a big deal. It's pretty simple. So if this engine swap interests you and you're thinking about doing it yourself, feel free to subscribe so you'll get the updates when I get them uploaded on this swap. And you can follow along and go step by step with it, so you can do the swap yourself, make it a little bit easier for you. Alright, that's it for now. Thank you.